Tutorial 5.
Hi, I'm Michelle from PaySys and welcome to a new tutorial in our training series for the Dejavoo D1 terminal. In this video, you'll learn how to process a refund, how to void a sale when necessary, and what other tools you have available to manage your transactions from the sales history. Let's get started.
Access the sales history. From the main DejaPay Pro screen, select History or List of Sales. Here, you will find a complete history of all completed sales. Select the transactions you want to review to open its details. Step 2. Process a refund. If a customer requests a refund, you can process it directly from the sales history. Select the appropriate transaction, then tap Refund. Follow on the screen instruction to complete the refund. Once the process is finished, the system will record the refund for the select transaction. Always make sure you select the correct sale before confirming the refund. Step 3. Void a sale. If a sale was processed by mistake and has not yet been settled in the current batch, you can use the void function to cancel it. Before you begin, keep the following in mind. A void can only be performed on the entire transaction. Transactions with partial payments cannot be void. The batch containing the transaction must still be open. To void a sale, select the transaction from the sales history, tap Void. Enter a comment explaining the reason for the void. Then, tap Confirm. The terminal will process the void, print the corresponding receipt, and display the transaction status as voided in the sales history. Finally, tap Finish to complete process. Additional tools available. In addition to processing refunds and voids, the sales history includes several useful tools for managing your business. Reprint a receipt. If a customer needs another copy of the receipt, open the transaction and tap the printer icon. Then choose whether you like to print a customer receipt, the merchant receipt, or both. Share a digital receipt. To send a receipt by email or text message, open the transaction and tap the share icon. Enter the customer email address or phone number, then tap Send. You can also use the share option and send a receipt through another comparable app. Repeat a sale. If a customer wants to place the same order again, open the transaction from the sales history. Tap Repeat. Confirm by selecting Yes. The system will automatically create a new order with the same products, allowing you to process the payment again or make any necessary changes before completing the sale.
Excellent! Now you know how to manage sales made from the DejaPay Pro. You have learned how to process refunds, void transactions when necessary, and use additional tools such as reprinting receipts, sharing digital copies, and repeating previous sales. These functions will help you provide better service to your customer and maintain great control over your business operation. I'm Michelle from PaySys, and thank you for joining us, and see you in the next tutorial.